Are you looking for help with your social media management? If you're an ABR designee, then you have access to an AceSocial account. We have partnered with RISMedia to provide you with content that you can share on your social media channels on a weekly basis. The great thing about this content is that it leads buyer clients back to your portal, which is branded with your contact information. Once you've linked your social media accounts, you can choose which content you like to schedule, and AceSocial will begin posting on your behalf. If you are interested in creating your free account, head over to the Member Center at REBAC.net and sign up. If you'd like to schedule posts more than once a week, you are able to upgrade at a 10% discount off of the package of your choice. Thanks for watching!